This question asks, the central claim of passage 2 is that space mining has positive potential, but... Okay, so passage 2 is basically saying, for the most part, it's positive, but... and I think this one's pretty tough, but I think that the second paragraph really sums up what this passage is trying to say. So it says, but before the miners start firing up their rockets, we should pause for thought. At first glance, space mining seems to sidestep most environmental concerns. There is no life on asteroids, and thus no habitats to trash, but its consequences, both here on Earth and in space, merit careful consideration. So basically what this guy is saying is like, okay, there's a lot of upside to space mining, but let's take it back a notch, right? We should think about what the consequences of space mining is or are. So A here says it will end up encouraging humanity's reckless treatment of the environment. That's not bad. It did say that there were some environmental issues. B says its effects should be thoughtfully considered before it becomes a reality. I also like that, right? Because he's saying, hey, let's think about this before we just jump into it. C says such potential may not include replenishing key resources that are disappearing on Earth. Yeah, that seems a little off. It's not really talking about replenishing resources in that paragraph. And then D, experts disagree about the commercial viability of the discoveries it could yield. Again, not really relevant. So I'm between A and B. It will end up encouraging humanity's reckless treatment of the environment, or its effects should be thoughtfully considered before it becomes reality. Out of these two, I would pick the one that's a little bit softer, which I think is B, right? It should be thoughtfully considered, because that's just saying let's think about this a little bit before we jump into it. Whereas A, it says it's going to encourage humanity's reckless treatment, right? That's pretty strong. It's saying humans are naturally reckless, and this space mining is going to encourage that. That's a little strong. So out of A and B, I think B is your better answer.